This is a Vue.js single-file component. It contains the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for a UI element all in one file. You need the Volar extension in VS Code to read it properly. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's install the extension. Don't worry if the first steps fail. I have a guaranteed nuclear option recovery process for the VUE format, but we'll attack the top issues first. VUE files are single-file component files for Vue.js, the progressive JavaScript framework for building user interfaces. They encapsulate a component's HTML template, JavaScript logic, and CSS styling within a single file using template, script, and style blocks, enabling modular, reusable front-end component development. Vue.js SFC files use UTF-8 text encoding with three primary sections delineated by XML-like tags. The template block contains HTML with Vue directives. The script block contains component logic using Options API or Composition API syntax. The style block supports scoped CSS, SCSS, and CSS modules. For managing VUE files, the best dedicated software is Vue.js from Evan Yu and the Vue core team. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows may open the script visually, but its logic runs only under the specified runtime. We are performing the initial software environment diagnostic. Right-click your VUE file and choose Open With. Test with Vue.js first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software switch. If the VUE file won't budge, stay calm. If your file remains inaccessible, it's typically due to one of three common pitfalls. Let's review this straightforward list of culprits and verify their status right now. First, setting up your editor. Open VUE files in a Visual Studio Code with the Volar extension, installed for full Vue.js language support, including syntax highlighting template IntelliSense, TypeScript integration component, prop validation, and integrated Vue DevTools. Volar replaces the older Vector extension for Vue 3 development. Next, building Vue projects. VUE files require a build tool to compile into browser-ready JavaScript. Set up a Vue project using npm create Vue latest or Vite, and place VUE files in the src components directory. Run npm run dev to start the development server with hot module replacement for instant preview of component changes. Finally, debugging components. Use Vue DevTools, browser extension for Chrome or Firefox to inspect component hierarchy, state props events, and Vuex or Pinia store data at runtime. In Visual Studio Code, configure the JavaScript debug terminal to set breakpoints in VUE file script blocks for step-through debugging. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.